Greetings, good day, as a old friend's daughter used to say in Stoke by Clare, Sudbury, Suffolk, back in 1985. Good day. Under the Wing 72 Noor Inayat Khan Memorial. It's going to be a little change here. I managed to knock off just as well it came off here as opposed to while on tour, with an exhibit somewhere, art museums, history museums, whatever. The glass ashtray I had attached here with barbed wire from British military anti-Nazi tank fortifications on the beach at Newborough, about a half hour north of Aberdeen, Scotland, which I picked up on walks with David Atherton. I don't know, I have to check what year, 2015 maybe. Anyway, this came off, and unless I can find a sturdy plastic container at Goodwill, I may put this on. I've got a old British coin in there from my childhood, adolescent years coin collection. I'll put this on there. It's got two stones I picked up on walks around Golders Green neighborhood I stayed in for several days in 2017 on my last teaching trip to Britain. When I was in London, I stayed with artist Jono, A K Jonathan Comerford, at the senior residence where his now departed dad lived. Golders Green, I think it's called. Okay, so this may go there, or I may, if I find something a bit larger, I'll decide. We've got rocks and stones, some walks along the Thames River along here. This from a old sewing machine from, I think it belonged to David Atherton's partner up in Aberdeen, or somewhere around there. Another rock from the Thames River walk. All right, we've got Gur Boleki allegorical sea monsters. The Nazis' Third Reich murdered Noor Inayat Khan, who I first learned of in a BBC documentary which I saw on PBS TV twice in years past. I did this drawing in 2020, almost 5 years ago now. We have a best of British toy bus here. All right, there you have it. I'll re-video this after I get whatever I fix there completed. Then I have to re-photograph the whole work.